So for this tutorial, I'm going to use this image to remove the background from the water splash, which has a white background. I will try it on this one here that has a kind of gradient, the black background. And then I'm just going to add the water splash here on this image. So let's start with the white one, left click here. So I'm going to select this one here. So I'm going to duplicate it so we can see the before and after. Click on this icon. And I'm going to create a new layer, click on this icon, fill it with transparency and then press OK. So for now I'm going to fill it with this blue color. Left click, so here it is, the HTML notation. And now press OK. I'm going to fill it with this blue and then place it under this image here, this one here. This is just for the before and after. So now let's select the top layer, this one. So first of all, we need to desaturate this layer. So go to Colors, Hue and Saturation, and then reduce the saturation all the way down, and then press OK. And now I'm going to increase a little bit the contrast. So go to Colors, Brightness, Contrast, and now I'm just going to increase a little bit the contrast here. So here it's too much. So I'm just going to give it the 3 contrast here. Let's see the preview. There's just a slight darkening here, and now just press OK. And now I'm going to invert my layer here, the colors of my layer. So go to Colors and then Invert. And now in order to remove the black background, go to Colors, Color to Alpha, and then left click on the color. This is the white color, left click. And now we need to choose the black color to remove the background. So here it is, and now press OK. And now click on the Gimp window, press the plus on your keyboard to zoom in. As you can see, there is still some white here background because of the water splash, and in order to remove it, I'm just going to increase the transparency threshold. So here, as you can see, if I remove it, if I increase too much, it will remove everything. So you just need to kind of eyeball it. So here, so as you can see, I have removed the white in the bottom here. So here it is, and now press OK. And now press minus on your keyboard to zoom out. And now if I hide my layers, so here it is transparent. So now let's try with the black one, this image here. So for this one, same thing, we need to desaturate the layer first. So go to Colors, Hue and Saturation, and then reduce the saturation all the way down, and then press OK. And now I want to increase the contrast here between the two colors, the white and black. So go to Colors, Brightness, Contrast, just as before. And now I'm just going to increase it. So I think here it's okay if I click on the preview. So as you can see, it removed kind of the radial gradient and removed some parts here of the kind of gray. So I think I'm going to leave it here like this, and now press OK. So I forgot to duplicate it, so I'm going to bring the layer back. So here's the original one. So now let's select the one we are going to remove the background. So I need first to create a background layer. So click on this icon, fill it with transparency, and then press OK. Place it under the layer where we used our filters. This one here, select the transparent layer. I'm going to fill it with the blue color just as before. And now select the layer we want to remove the background. Go to Colors and then Color to Alpha just as before. And now just as before, left click here on the color white. Left click and then choose the dark color since we want to remove the black color. Press OK. And now I'm just going to increase the transparency threshold to remove some of the white here, to isolate the water splash. So I think here I'm okay. And now just press OK. And now if I hide these 2 layers, so here it is. And now for example, if I select the background layer, I change the color to black. So let's bring the original one on top. So here's the before, the original, and here's the after. And now let's say for example you want to colorize this water splash here. Go to Colors and then select Colorize. And now in order to colorize it, so for example if I move the hue or saturation, it doesn't do anything. So the first thing you need to do is to reduce the lightness. So here it is, as you can see, it's starting to colorize. And now you can change the hue, the color, or the saturation, the intensity. So for example here like this. So for example I'm going to leave it with this green here and now press OK. And now I'm going to bring these transparent layers here on the pineapple. So let's select this one, and now you can either Control C, Control V on this image, or I'm just going to drag it and then here hover over the image you want and then place it. So here it is. Select the move tool. So here, as you can see, if I hide the pineapple image, so this is the first one. I'm going to hide it, and now let's select the second one, the green one. Select the water splash layer, this one here, this one. So I'm just going to drag it to the image and then place it here, just release. So here it is. So this is the green one, and this is the green one is with the black background and the white one is with the white background.